Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civil Laces. I was all planning to bring some AutoCAD tutorial videos since I started my channel. I did some structural analysis videos using it apps, but today here I am with first video tutorial on AutoCAD. I will also continue the structural analysis videos side by side. This AutoCAD series videos will really be helpful to civil, architecture, mechanical, electrical, electronics engineering students who want to excel their AutoCAD skill. This series videos will contain AutoCAD tutorial from basic level to advanced level, also with some practice question and quiz. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. Let's start the tutorial. When you start your AutoCAD for the first time, this is how your AutoCAD will look like. Here you have this Start tab, and this tab has three listed columns, that is Get Started column, Recent Document column, and Notification column. Under this Get Started column, you can see this Start Drawing. You can click on this Start Drawing to start AutoCAD drawing. Or you can click on this template to see various ready-made templates. Each template is related to its own unit setting and display setting. For now, you have to understand that the default AutoCAD template is this acad.dwt. You can access this template by simply clicking this Start Drawing panel. Or you can also use your own customized template. You will learn more on later videos, but for now you have to understand that this acad.dwt is the default AutoCAD template which you can access through this Start Drawing panel. You can open the AutoCAD files in your PC through this Open Files option. You can also get more templates from online through this Get More Templates Online. Under this Recent Documents column, you have all the documents that you have opened recently. You can see here are the push pins that control the view of this recent document columns. For example, if I click on this push pin of drawing template documents, then this document will be permanently fixed at this position, and other newly opened document will fall below this position. Under this notification column, you will have all the information about the software update or anything about AutoCAD software. Forward, click on this Start Drawing to start the drawing template. So here we have the New Drawing 2 tab. Previously we have this Start tab and a New Drawing 2 tab is opened up. Let's first talk about this application menu. Click on this application menu. You can see the various options here. You can access some frequently used tools from this application menu, like new. You can open a new document. You can open an existing document. From PC, you can save your drawing, such as save as. You can import the files of other format, export, publish, print, and some drawing utilities. You can have these options from this quick access toolbar also. Now the AutoCAD has this tabs and panel area, and this tabs and panel area is called the ribbon area. Here you have different tabs such as Home tab, Insert tab, Annotate tab, Parametric tab, View tab, Manage tab, like that. So here in Home tab you have different panels, like this is a Draw panel, this is a Modify panel, this is Annotation panel, this is a Layers panel, and each panel have different functions. These tabs are arranged in some specific manner. Home tabs contain the combination of all of the tools and frequently used tools. Like in Insert tabs, you can find any options to insert anything in AutoCAD. So these tabs are arranged in some specific manner, and you can do some specific function from these tabs. These AutoCAD panels are of floating type. They are not are permanently fixed here. You can drag any panels out of this ribbon. For example, if I click on this extended draw option, then I have this draw panel. So if I want to move this panel out of the ribbon, then I simply drag it from here. So here you have it. The rest of the panels are adjusted in this available ribbon space. So you have this floating panel here. If you want to place it in its previous position, you can simply hover this in its right position and you have this option, return panels to ribbon. So if you click here, then the panels will be returned to its previous position. Under the draw panels, you have this line, polyline, circle, and arc, and these options are seen. But under this draw panel, there are different other options which are not seen. To access those options, you have to click on this extended draw option right here, and then you have this all of the options. So if you come outside of this ribbon area, then this extended draw panel will automatically collapse. If you want this extended draw panel to be permanently fixed on this ribbon, then click on this push pin button. So now if you come outside of this ribbon area, then it still appears on the ribbon panel. Here I don't want this extended draw panel to be seen on this ribbon. So I click on this push pin and I come outside of this ribbon space, so it automatically collapses. Now this black space with some grids is the heart of AutoCAD. This is the space where we perform the AutoCAD works. Now on this drawing area, we have this view cube showing east, west, north and south. And we have this navigation bar and we have this UCS icon that is showing x-axis and y-axis. We can control the visibility of this view cube, navigation bar and then this UCS icon through view tab. So click on this view tab over here and you have here UCS icon, view cube and navigation bar that is clicked, and again file tabs and layout tabs are also clicked. If I click on this UCS icon, then you can see that the UCS icon is lost from here. Similarly, if I click on this view cube, then view cube is also hidden from this drawing area. If I click on this navigation bar, then there will be no navigation bar in this drawing area. I already said that the Start tab and Drawing 2 tabs are the File tabs. If you don't want to see these two tabs, then you can click on these File tabs. So now the File tabs are also hidden. And here at the bottom left corner, we have Model, Layout 1 and Layout 2. We call these as our Layout tabs. If you don't want to see these tabs, then you can click on these Layout tabs. So the Layout tabs are also hidden from this drawing area. Here I undo the thing that I have done. I click on the UCS icon. I have this UCS icon here. I click on this view cube. I have this view cube here. I click on this navigation bar. I have this navigation bar here. Similarly, I click on these file tabs and layout tabs. Now let's talk about the command line. You have here a command line which allows you to type a command. For example, without going there, I type circle and we have this indistinct command circle, and if I click on the circle, then I have the circle command active. We will talk more about the command and command lines later, but basically this is the command line and you can click here and type any command, for example line. Then the AutoCAD will show you the command similar to the line, for example line type, line weight, p-line and any others. You can click any on these commands to activate this command. On the bottom right corner, we have this status bar. The status bar helps us in making our drawing very precise. We will learn each component of this status bar, for example, grid mode, snap mode, polar mode, ortho mode, and many others. Now let's talk about the command search features of AutoCAD. AutoCAD has many commands in its ribbon. There are some commands which are not available or not seen on this ribbon. So AutoCAD has made a lot easier to find the location of command. For that, go to this application menu and type any command here. For example, I type circle, then AutoCAD will show the command similar to its name function here. So here AutoCAD shows 6 different types of circle. If you hover here, then you can see that this is the command that you can activate by following the path of it: ribbon tab, home, draw, circle, flyout, and center radius. Similarly, we have these commands, and we can find this command in ribbon tab through home, draw, circle, flyout, and center dia. In this way, we can find the location of any command in AutoCAD. So this much about the AutoCAD user interface. Today, I have presented the basics thing that you need to know while starting the AutoCAD. And on another video, we will talk more about. If this video tutorial helps you, then please subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.